Fourth, we hear this usage of the term in our day to day life. We might know that we are using it. Opening a door, riding a bicycle, lifting an object, a few of the most common things that we perform in our daily life, and all this require a force. What is a force? So, we might ask that what is a force? Consider a ball lying on the ground at rest. It's not moving. Suppose this player wants to pass this ball to his teammate. So, what will he do? He needs to move his ball to his teammate by applying force on it. So, force are nothing but action. So, he is kicking the ball towards its teammates. So, force are nothing but the actions that are performed in our day-to-day life. So some other example are also there. So a man is standing near the stand and he wants to move this table towards A B. So what will he do? He will push the table towards B. That means he is applying force on the table. So pushing is also a type of force. So force means, so without even when we lift the pen from the table, we are applying the force on the pen. So force, the pushing, the lifting, the kicking are some of the ways by which we apply the force and the actions that are done by us in our day-to-day life. Now, boy riding his bicycle, then how he's riding? He's pedaling so he's applying the pedaling. That means he's applying the force on the bicycle. Even the hitting the nails with the help of hammer is a force applying on the ball. Stopping the ball is also force applied. So there are the various action we do in our day-to-day life. Opening a drawer, plucking the strings of guitar, moving the piece of chess, so these are the various action we perform in our day-to-day life. But we can categorize all these action into two basic one. That is, we can discuss all these action in two basic terms. The number one is pushing and number two is pulling. So hitting, pedaling, stopping, opening, plucking, moving are the various action in which we are applying the force. So pushing and pulling are the two basic action we can say regarding the force. So pulling the drawl, pulling a bucket of water, these are the action in which we are applying force. Even pushing, in pushing what we do, we push the ball, then we push the nails with the help of hammer into the wall. These are the pushing. And there are various action also in which pushing and pulling both take place. That means if we have to lift the book from one place to another, we are not only pushing but also pulling the books. Even opening and closing of door also applied both pushing and pulling. So that means force is nothing but push and pull applied on object, and force occurs due to the interaction between objects. That's all.